Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to make Siri sound more natural in macOS 15.1. To make Siri sound more natural in macOS 15.1, here is what to do. First, go to System Settings. At System Settings, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. At Apple Intelligence and Siri, click on the Siri responses at the bottom right. On Siri responses, make sure that the voice feedback tab is on the on position. Now, every time you ask Siri, you will hear a more natural voice, compared to the old slightly robotic voice.
It was initially designed by engineer Joseph Strauss in 1917. The bridge was named for the Golden Gate Strait, the channel that it spans. This is from wikipedia.org. The copper statue, a gift to the U.S. from the people of France, was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886. The statue is a figure of Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty. This answer is from wikipedia.org.
It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.